Hi, John Giffen here, State Roofing Company out of Houston, Texas. We're going to talk about the weather predictions. We look at the weather when we go to bed at night. We look at the weather when we wake up in the morning to see if we're going to roof or not. We go off of several different radars and several different weather services. Every one of them's different, and 50% of the time they're wrong. So I feel sorry for everybody else that's in the construction business that can't get an accurate weather report from the services. I wish they could come up with a better service, but we don't take chances. If the weather is predicted rain over 35%, we will not start a job. It is just too costly if we tear off the roof and a rainstorm comes along. Even though we carry tarps and preventative measures, it is very difficult to keep any leaks from occurring when you're tearing off a roof and trying to get it dried in. So everyone, if you got a better weather service that can predict 99% right, please let me know. John Giffen, State Roofing Company, Houston, Texas.